Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining and we are going to head to the beach. But first, I would like to reset our home. A house reset doesn't need to take long. It isn't about following an orderly method with high expectations, but more simply, just returning items back to their home and reducing the physical and mental clutter that doesn't belong. I personally like to go from room to room during my resets, and I always start with making my bed. As a busy mum of three, our home can get chaotic quite quickly. And for me, a chaotic house results in a chaotic brain. I find that a daily tidy up brings back a sense of calmness and peace to not only a space but my mind as well, which is definitely something I need to get through the day. Now, while a morning house reset works best for us, it may not be the case for everyone. A daily tidy can happen anytime during the day, and it may not even happen daily. Let me know in the comments how you like to do your house resets. I try and work through each room with a sense of calmness. It doesn't always happen, but I find slowly working through each space just helps to slow my mind, and I actually enjoy putting a home back together again. Taking the effort to tidy our home and then seeing my children quickly mess it up again does feel frustrating. But I have come to learn that maybe them creating and playing with their toys brings a sense of calm to their brain, like a house reset does for mine. And that's it. That is as simple as my house reset gets. A tidy house equals a tidy mind. It takes me no longer than 10 minutes every day, which is certainly no time at all, when we have the rest of the day to enjoy ourselves and a tidy house to come home to. Now it's time for the beach. I appreciate you watching today's video. I hope it brought a little love and calmness to your day. Remember to keep it simple, and I'll see you soon.